Hello friends, welcome again, and this is my new project Cyber Cafe Management System, and I have developed this project in Python, Django and MySQL. The version for the Python I am using is the Python version 7. Sorry, Python version is 3.7 and Django version is 2 and MySQL version is 5.6. For connecting Python Django with MySQL, I am using the PyMySQL. You can also use the Django connector, which you can download it from mysql.org website. Even you can install it from the pip. It's a web-based project, so for front-end development, I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used for integration of the date calendar plugins, integration of the form validations. Right. So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project, Cyber Cafe Management System. Right. So let's start with the functionality go through. So the title is Cyber Cafe Management System. It's the Python Django MySQL web-based mini project. Right. So it has only admin login. There is no customer login here in the system, right? So let's start. So this is the homepage of the project, and this is a static homepage. There is nothing dynamic on it. This is about, and it's also a static page. There is nothing dynamic on it, means there is nothing coming from the database. This is a contact us. This is a static form. I'm not saving the value of this contact us form anywhere into the database. Even I'm not sending a type of email and SMS from this page. This is a login page and it's a database driven, right? So if you enter information, then it will be verified from the database, and after, if it's correct, then you will be able to log in. If it will not correct, then it will show the invalid details, right? So the user ID is admin and password is test. Once you log inside the system, you will get the dashboard, right? So this is the customer dashboard. From here you will be able to perform these operations, right? So let me go through one by one. So this is add customer. From here you will be able to add the customer, right? From here, if customer is coming, then you will allot a computer to that customer. You can select the computer from here, right? So you can select computer. After that, you can enter the name, mobile number, email ID, address, date, start time, end time, ID proof, right? After entering all of the informations, you will be able to save this information into the database, right? Once you save the information, it will show all of the details here, right? So you can see it's showing that customer ID number, computer name, customer name, Aadhaar, address, date, right? You can edit the details from here also, right? So this is a customer. This is a add computer. From here you will be able to add the computer. Suppose if you have 5 computer right now, if you want to add more computers, then you can add more computers here, and you can assign those computers at the time of customer entry, right? So you can see computer name, computer company type, each and everything you can enter. And this is a form, form is validated right through jQuery. You can see it's showing that error message, please fill the details, right? So this is the computer details, add computer. This is a computer details. It will show all of the computers which you have registered in the database, right? So currently we have 5 computers, and you will be able to see there are 5 computers is here, right? If you want to add any computer, just click on the edit. Sorry, if you want to edit any computers, then you can click on the edit, and after that you can edit the details and save the details, and that details will be updated into the database. If you want to delete any record, just click on the delete, and after that that record will be deleted from the database, right? This is a change password, and if you want to change your account password, means login password, then you can change it from here. For that you need to enter the old password, and after that new password and confirm password, right? After changing the password, you will be able to log in with your updated password, right? The last thing is the logout. Once you log out from the system, then the above administration menu will not be displayed. Let me show you. So if I log out, then you can see administration menu is not displaying. But if I log in, then administration menu is displaying. So this is a session driven menu, and it works on the session, right? If you are logged, then you will be able to see the administration options. If you are not logged, then you will not be able to see, right? So these are functionalities I have developed inside this project, Cyber Cafe Management System. As I told you earlier, this is a Python, Django, and MySQL web-based DBMS mini project, right? DBMS because we are performing the database operations here, right? So if you need extra functionality, if you need enhancement in this project, just put it to the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching video. Thank you very much.